So in this Ticketmaster tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy comedy show tickets here on Ticketmaster. So once Ticketmaster's opened up, I want you guys to go to this top bar to where it says concert, sports, and where it says arts, theater, comedy, go ahead and press on that. Now, once you guys are here, you guys can change your location. So where it says near Los Angeles for me, if you wanted to go ahead and change that to a different city, if you're going there, that works too. But we'll use Los Angeles for this example right here. Where it says all dates as well, you can change that to a selected date. So we'll also go to where it says all arts, theater, comedy. If you want to specify this to comedy in specific, just go to comedy right here and make sure comedy is selected. Now, if you were to scroll down, you can view a bunch of different comedy shows that are available right here. So you can go ahead and select one of your choice. So, for example, I don't know, we'll just go ahead and select this one. We'll try to find one right here. Yeah, this one right here. We'll go ahead and select this as an example. It'll then bring you to this page where you can select tickets. So you can go ahead and sort of view your tickets right here. We'll just use this one as an example, and then we'll press on next. It'll then bring you guys to the checkout page right now where you can sort of follow. It'll hold your tickets for about 8 minutes, so you can scroll down, select your payment type, the delivery method. There's ticket insurance as well. And if all looks good, you want to proceed with the transaction, go ahead and press on the green place order button, and you can go ahead that way with the transaction of the comedy show tickets. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can buy comedy show tickets here on Ticketmaster. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.